for modification. Is that clear, my dear? Come on. Got the clarity, guys? Okay, guys. Guys, I cannot shout loudly today. Okay, boss. Okay. Tell me what are the symptoms of Omicron, guys? Right. Okay, let it be. We cannot avoid COVID. We have to face the COVID. Yes, boss. Tell me, what is that? Our code must be open for extension and must be closed for modification. Understanding my statement? Okay. What is the example we have taken, guys? Yeah, how to implement rule number 3 by just taking all classes as final classes or methods as the final methods, guys. Methods as the final methods. Okay, boss. Oh, new. Okay. Project is a Java project. I think yesterday we created project, it seems. Yesterday we created project, it seems, guys. Components are there. Common interface is there. Come on. Let me try for some time, guys. Okay. Public string deliver order int order id oid deliver order int order id. Super, boss. Here is my blue dot, boss. If you don't like this, take some other example. Vehicle engine you can take, student course you can take, any example of your choice you can take, boss. It's possible. Any example of your choice you can take, guys. Here is blue dot, guys. Okay. Now tell me here. Here. OID, order ID. Order products are delivered. Order ID products are delivered. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Order ID products are delivered, guys. Order ID products are delivered, boss. Are you comfortable, my dears? Come on. Okay. Products are delivered by Blue Dot Courier Service. Blue Dot Courier Service, guys. Blue Dot Courier Service. Clear, my dear? Yes, boss. Now take this method. Take this method. Go to DHL. Add this. Delivered by products are delivered by DHL courier service. What guys? DHL courier service. Cool guys. I think how many things I have taken? 2 things I have taken. 2 implementation. Are both dependent classes are implementing common interface or not? Okay. To give the feeling these objects are created, just let me add one constructor, guys. Systrace 0 param constructor. Systrace 0 param constructor. Go to blue dot in the same fashion, guys. Here also, I will place one 0 param constructor. Systrace. Here is also my 0 param constructor. Yeah. Okay. See, guys, rule number 2 is now implemented. Na? All dependent classes are implementing common interface. Fine, boss. Go to target class. All these are dependent classes, guys. So no doubt, these are dependent classes. DHL.java. Dependent class, guys. Copy this. Dependent class, guys. Done. Fine. Go to e-commerce store, guys, which is a target class. Yeah, prefer composition over inheritance. This is my next one. Private interface type I am taking. Courier. Courier only I have taken. Courier. Courier was. Courier. What is this, guys? Has a property. Okay, tell me, you want to initialize here or you want to initialize from outside? I want to initialize from outside. When you decided to initialize from outside, either object creation or after object creation. If you want to initialize e-commerce store object with a courier object during e-commerce store object creation, then take one parameter constructor. No, if you want to do the same initialization, come on. If you want to do the same initialization, understanding my statement, guys? Okay. If you want to do same initialization after creating object, then better to have one setter method, guys. Then literally, solidly better to have one setter method. Are you comfortable, my dears? Come on, convince it with me. Okay. So now I am taking setter method, guys. Setter method. Okay, setter method to assign. Okay, the dynamically chosen dependent class object to target class object. What is that? Target class object. The dynamically chosen dependent class object. This is my target class, guys. Okay, boss. To give the feeling, here also to give the feeling object is created systrace. Here is my 0 param constructor. Zero param constructor. Okay, boss. Then I'm taking one setter method, guys. Set courier. Set courier. Courier, guys. Courier. This dot courier is equal to courier. This dot courier is equal to courier. Systrace. Here is my set courier method. Yeah. Now I am taking one business method, my dear. Business method in target class. Array, we are doing all this thing to write one or other business logic or not. We are doing all these things to write one or other business logic. What do you say, my dears? Yes. Okay. This is okay, guys. We do shopping, and once shopping is done, delivery will happen, boss. Okay. Public string, public string shopping. Shopping method is provided, guys. Tell me, string array items, float array prices. If not interested, take double array. Double array. If it is float array, we have to write FF every time. Shopping is the method, guys. Okay. Calculate bill amount. Calculate bill amount. Tell me, double bill amount is equal to 0.0. Okay, this is double array, guys. Fine. I'm taking enhanced for loop, guys. And then enhanced double price is equal prices. Each iteration price points to one element, guys. Okay. Tell me, guys. Bill amount is equal to bill amount plus. Okay, I think you know this one, na? Plus equal to plus. I think everyone remembered this price, guys. This is this is equal to that, boss. We got a bill amount, guys. We got a bill amount. Okay, next, guys. String bill message. Bill message is equal to. Okay, how to convert anything into an array, boss? How to convert anything into two string, any array into single string? Arrays dot two string method is there, na? Actually, that is also one design pattern, that is adapter pattern. I will talk about that. Okay. Yeah, listen, guys. Arrays dot two string items with prices. Arrays dot two string prices. Arrays dot two string items with prices. Tell me. Arrays dot two string items with prices. Arrays dot two string with what? Prices. Okay. Okay. With prices. Okay. Tell me. Bill amount is. Bill amount. Where is that, guys? Bill amount here. Here is my bill amount. Okay, guys. Deliver products. What is this? Deliver product. Okay, we have to think about delivering the product, guys. But first of all, let me generate order ID randomly. Okay. Into OID is equal to new random of next int of 100. New random dot next int of 1000. Yes, guys. This is my order ID, guys. Deliver product. Okay, guys. Into OID is equal to new random dot next int of 1000. Okay, boss. Tell me next one. Return. Okay, return. Here, what is this? First of all, string deliver message is equal to what is injected one, guys? Courier. Courier dot deliver OID. Array deliver products. Generate order ID. Generate order ID. Deliver products, guys. Deliver products. Now tell me next one, guys. Okay. Return bill message plus okay, deliver message, guys. Return bill message plus deliver message. Return bill message plus deliver message. I'm trying to display bill related message and deliver related message. If possible. Okay, after printing this, okay, slash en, I'm generating new line also, boss. Right, boss. Done. I think everyone understood. It is a business logic to calculate bill amount. Generating a random number as a bill ID, as I mean delivery ID, order ID, whatever it is. Okay, we are getting delivery message, guys. Then this one. Okay, but client wants to call the business method, but client needs a e-commerce store object injected with one or other courier object. But do you want to make client doing all these things one by one, guys? Do you really want to see client doing all these activities one by one, guys? No, guys. I think if you provide factory for him, he will get the e-commerce store object by injecting appropriate courier object or not. By injecting appropriate courier object or not. Come on. By simply injecting appropriate courier object. Everyone understood my statement, boss? Right. Okay. Class, guys. Yeah. E-commerce store. E-commerce store factory. E-commerce store factory, boss. Public static. Okay. Tell me, guys. E-commerce store. Factory is already created. I think, oh, 1 minute. E-commerce. Okay. I'm deleting the wrong one. Okay, fine. Public static, guys. E-commerce store. Get in a stance. String courier type. I'm just passing courier type, guys. Okay. Now tell me here. Courier is equal to null. What, boss? Courier is equal to null, guys. Yes, guys. If courier type equals, I hope you are active, guys. Courier, this is very known thing. So far we have taken factor just creating one main class object, but now see, it take care of main class object creation, take care of dependent class object creation, also take care of assigning dependent class object to main class object, also take care of assigning dependent class object to main class object, boss. Okay, boss. Courier type equals ignore case. Tell me, guys. Equals ignore case. Speak out, my dear. What is the story, boss? What is the required story? Okay. Courier type is equal to DHL. Courier is equal to new DHL of. Else if courier type equals ignore case. Blue dart. courier is equal to new blue dart of what's happening. Yeah, importing was else throw new illegal argument exception, guys. Throw new illegal argument exception. Tell me, invalid courier type. Invalid courier type. Cool, guys. Here is my what? Invalid courier type. Invalid courier type. Okay, boss. Now tell me, this is dependent class object. Create dependent class object based on the courier type. Next, create target class object. E-commerce store is equal to e-commerce store is equal to new e-commerce store of e-commerce store is equal to new e-commerce store of. Okay, tell me, assign dependent class object store dot get courier. Store dot get courier boss. Yes, boss. Return store. Yeah. Tell me, guys, just just target object is written na? Target object assigned with dependent class object is written na? Yeah, that means it is providing abstraction on dependent class object creation, target class object creation, and it is also taking care of how dependent class object is assigned to target class. I hope you got the clarity, boss. Super, boss. Strategy DP test, my dear. Strategy DP test, my dear. E-commerce store. One small thing is missed, guys, in the entire implementation. Okay, rule number 3. You should take this one as a final class. Courier. You should take this one as a final class so that our code becomes closed for modification. Blue dot. We should take this class as a final class, guys. Yes, boss. Factory you need not to touch. Factory you need not to touch. Only target and dependent classes only we have to modify, boss. Super, boss. Next one is what, guys? Right. E-commerce store is equal to e-commerce store factory dot e-commerce store factory dot get an instance of blue dot e-commerce store factory dot get an instance, guys. Comfortable, guys? Come on. E-commerce store factory dot get an instance. Then what is next, guys? Get target class object. Invoke the business method. Invoke the business. String result message is equal to tell me, store dot shopping. Store dot shopping. Tell me next one, guys. Guys, give me 2 minutes time. Guys, everyone come back. New shopping, string array. Tell me, shirt is the one thing. Next, hat. Array. If not hat, something else you take about. What are the prices, guys? What are the prices, guys? Okay. New double array. New double array. Tell me, guys, what is the double array? 15 shatta. Okay, 1500. Hat 1000 rupees. Whatever it is, guys. Done. Sys out. Result message. Sys out result message. Comfortable, guys? Sys out result message, boss. Done. Okay. Shall we run the application? See, guys, you'll feel loose coupling like anything. $595 order ID order products are delivered by Blue Dart courier service. Shirt hat with prices. Okay. And bill amount is what? 100. 100 bill amount. What's happening, guys? Bill amount is 100. Okay. If this is the e-commerce store, everyone wants to purchase there only. Bill amount is, I think, plus equal to, na? I think plus equal to. Yes, boss. 1600 has come now. Right. Okay. Now listen. I don't want to work with the Blue Dart. I want to work with the DHA. Am I touching the any source code of the target class? Indirectly, I achieved loose coupling or not? Indirectly, I literally, solidly achieved loose coupling or not? Come on, guys. Yes, boss. We got it or not there? Everyone understood my statement, guys? Easy. It might have taken 3 days time because I'm injecting subjects slowly. Okay. But you got complete grip on strategy design pattern. We always prefer designing all the classes of Spring application based on strategy design pattern. We always design classes of Spring programming by following strategy design pattern. Got it, guys? Okay. Okay. Now let me give the copy of the code, guys, so that you can read the code in single place. Strategy DP. Oh, already pasted. Okay, no problem. File save as 28th 22. 28th 22. Okay, boss. Right. First of all, courier interface. What is this, guys? Common interface. Yeah, since we spend the time, it looks easy, boss. Okay. If I directly develop without explaining problem solution, I don't think you would have convinced for this. It looks like a magical code, right? Now, earlier you used to write the code. Now you are thinking and writing the code or not. Slowly you are becoming matured programmer or still innocent programmer. Maturity is increasing day to day. DHL. DHL, guys. Blue Dart. One more dependent class, guys, Blue Dart. Here is my target class, guys. Here is my target class. This is my target class. Comments are very important in life, guys. When you leave the company, the one who occupies your position should be in a position to understand your code. For that one, comments are very important. Okay, guys. Factory pattern, boss. Here is my factory class or factory pattern class. Factory class or factory pattern class, guys. Okay. Right. This is client application, boss. Yeah. Use cases. Otherwise, real cases. All the classes of Spring-based layered application. Spring-based layered application will be developed. Uh, will be developed using what is this? Strategy DB. Will be developed using strategy DB, boss. This is my real cases, guys. Right, boss. Next one. Okay, I think we have a document. Real cases of implementing strategy design pattern. Builder pattern, factory method, structural adapter, bridge, composite, facade, flyweight, proxy, command, iterator, momento, observer, strategy. ठीक है? Comparator, compare method. अरे compare also takes main data into dependent, dependent data into target and compares. Strategy, guys. The service method of recognized by behavioral pattern. An abstract interface type invokes method of implementation, different abstract interface which has been passed in as the method argument into strategy implementation. It's saying that while designing method parameters, don't take concrete type, take abstract type. Okay. Comparator compare method takes what is that interface type as the parameter type. Check it out. It will comparator compare method executed by among the other collections dot sort method by taking interface type parameter. Service method parameters are what, guys? And do all triplex method take stdb servlet request, stdb servlet response, and implementer has to process the instance variable, and do filter method in filter class. Do filter method in filter class. All these are based on which pattern, guys? Strategy design pattern. And nothing is making you to work with, it makes you to work with interfaces more. That's the main point that we have to focus. Main agenda is it makes you to deal with interfaces, boss. Keep that in mind. That's it, not remaining things. And the implementer has to process them and not to get hold of them as instance variables. Okay. Yes, boss. This is one thing. This is another thing. Look at compare method, guys. Comparator.compare method. I'll share the document with you. Don't worry. Comparator.compare method. Comparator. Okay. Comparator docs. Comparator docs. Look at the methods, guys. Compare. See, it is taking generic type. That means I can pass any x, any y na, boss. Any x, any y. So that means flexibility of changing is there na. I can pass any two types, boss. Any two types. That means it is making you to deal with what? Generic types or concrete types. generic type, not the concrete type. So that's the reason that is comes under strategy DP, guys. Service method also, we are going to have interface type parameters, concrete class type parameter, interface type parameter. In filter also, do filter method contains what? Interface type parameter, concrete type parameter. Definitely interface type parameter. Got it, guys? And whatever other things that are coming and adding, they also come through interfaces only. They also come through interfaces. For example, HTTP servlet holds servlet config object, generic servlet holds servlet config object. That time also we take property of type interface, property of type concrete class, interface only. Entire servlet programming we do with interfaces. That's why it is basically on what? Strategy design pattern, guys. Okay. Let me commit this code, guys. This and this. Team, share project, finish. Share projects, finish, git sharing. Let's go for commit, boss. Okay. Let's go for commit, guys. Right, guys. Strategy DP, and builder DP. Strategy DP and builder DP, guys. Strategy DP and builder DP. Git URL you need a. This is the Git URL. Take it, boss. This is the Git URL. Thank you, guys. Okay. For a few days, I'll try to engage the session, either 1 hour, 45 minutes, or how much I can. Okay. Once my health is set, I will try to take the complete sessions, boss. Thank you. Because I want to fight against COVID. I don't want to cancel the classes. All right. Thank you, boss.